What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Going to go ahead and check in on this bin. It's actually been 3 weeks instead of 2 weeks, so hopefully all the food scraps are going to be gone. Let's see, yeah, this has definitely settled some. I'll check the feeding area. I doubt anything's going to be in there. Pick up some of the castings that fell on the ground, and then we'll go ahead and fluff this all up. Oh, there were some worms hanging out in the avocado shell. Here's that mango pit. That's pretty much done. Popsicle stick. Pieces of the pumpkin stem. Oh, here's the other avocado shell. Oh, and popsicle stick. There's the seed. There we go, nice little worm ball. Okay, they haven't been able to get into that avocado shell yet. There's something green that's coming out. I don't know what that was. Adding a nice handful of the shredded cardboard for some bedding, and it had a couple of the eggshell containers in it. My buddy Brian suggested doing a larger feeding of the pulp and then checking it after about 5 days to see how well the worms did on it. So that's what I'm going to actually go and try this week. This week for the grit, I'm just going to give them some ground up azomite powder. And then I'm going to place all the long-term food back into the center here. Then I'll cover everything up. And before I forget completely, we ended up getting a new coffee maker that does the K-cups or the large 12-cup pot. So I have a bunch of the K-cups that I actually have been saving that material. So I'll go ahead and give a good amount to the feeding. And lastly, I'll come over the top with a little bit of the worm chow, which is the expired oats, flour, and cornmeal. I like doing that for the worms because that gives them something to eat right now along with those coffee grounds, and then as the food breaks down, the worms can get into that feeding area. Well, thanks for coming along, checking out this quick feeding. If you guys have any questions about the Vermihut tower system, don't forget to drop them down in the comments. Everybody have a great day.